left my house like 40 minutes ago, and I'm haven't really made it very far. There's a ton of traffic right now. So I figured it'd be a good time to start. It's actually about to start raining. Yeah. I got my Gym Bro alarm clock now.
Gym Bro?
It's the guy yelling at you, telling you how terrible you are, and that all you need is sleep, and you need to get out of bed and go to the gym and start working out. Found some firewood, huh? So this is the campsite. It's right next to this really cool stream. Got here kind of late though. So don't really get to enjoy it as much, honestly. But just how it is. We're gonna get up really early in the morning, like 5:30, so we'll get to enjoy it for breakfast, and then we'll go up Redcomb. It's filthy. We got this really creek here. Kristen? So tell me all the things we forgot to bring.
We or you?
It was us. It was a we thing.
I think Warren, you forgot to bring camping chairs. I was really excited about those camping chairs, by the way, because we bought them together. I was like really looking forward to sitting really nice.
Yeah, well, she bought them for me, and I forgot to bring them.
Yeah, so there's that. Firewood, lighter fluid, coffee mugs.
Coffee mugs. That's the big one.
That's the big one.
That's the big one.
Ready, Lily? She's not ready. I don't think she likes this. Look how dirty she is.
How she rolls around like a bird. Savage. Yeah, just like, so it used to be that there were no rock stacks here. So this was like a big drop, and then you had to climb up over the rock. And now it's just like super easy. Yeah.
he goes. Nice.
The guy that I'm with, he just got a flat tire because he ran across just the side of a rock and it hit the sidewall, and so he's over there fixing it right now. I don't want to bother him too much. I'm sure it's pretty frustrating, but we should go check it out.
Warren's outside taking some nice photos of our view, but we've got the trail in front of us there, but then we've got these amazing mountains. It's looking good. We're making it. So far, so good.
So we're done coming down Red Cone, and so usually people like to take the Red Cone and then they go left onto Webster Pass, and you know they do the big loop, so they kind of end up where they started. But Webster Pass, right at the tip, there's like all this snow. There's no snow anywhere else, just there, and it's still tons of snow, so you can't do it. So it's either you go up to the top of Red Cone and then you come straight back, or you keep going through, and then you hit Webster, but you go right, and then you'll pop out by like where Keystone and Silverthorne are, so you can't do a loop. And it's July 2nd, but I did it in August and it was open, so I think you'll have to probably wait till the end of July, August for that snow to melt. So now we're just heading back along the other side of Webster towards Keystone.